Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to change all default folder icon in Windows 11 at once. So how can do this? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, now first of all open any browser and go to your Google and type icon archive. Open this in the search box, type file folder and search it. Now select the folders, close it. Now download IOC file. Now here it. Go to Kardikwa and paste it any location. After that, now new files. After doing this set, rename the folder name, file, folder icon. Okay guys. Now here is. No, after doing this tab in the search box, type of registry editor. Open registry editor. Click yes to continue. Run as administrator. So I also run as administrator. So registry editor, right click, run as administrator. Okay, this the first of all select a H key local machine and expand it. Select a software and expand it. After doing this, select a Microsoft and expand it. After doing this, find out Windows and expand it. Select the current version and expand it. After that, go down and find out the Explorer. Now here is Explorer. Expand it. Now right click and set a new key and set a name is shell space icons. Okay guys. Now start a new add a new string values with the name of 3 and 4. So first string value is 3. Now new string value is with the name of 4. Now after that open a 3. First of all scroll down, right click and show more options. Now copy path. Go to registry editor, open a 3 and paste it. Click OK. Open a 4 and click on paste and OK. Now close it. Refresh it. Right click. Go to your file explorer. Sorry. Right click. Go to your task manager. Find out a file explorer. Now Windows Explorer. And now restart it. Right click and restart. Now after restart, now you can see data folder is changed. Now new and folder. Now you can see that. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.